Okay, so we're at it again. We're going to be looking at multiplying polynomials again. Okay, so today students will be able to multiply polynomials of degree 1 and degree 2. All right, so a polynomial, an expression of two or more terms. We've gone over this, 1, 2. Okay, that's a polynomial expression. A monomial, mono means one, so that's one term. Binomial, bi means two, and so 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, those are binomials. Trinomial has three terms, 1, 2, 3, because tri means three. The degree is the highest exponent. Okay, so this is to the 6th degree, to the 2nd degree, to the 3rd degree. A constant is the term without a variable, so the constant here is -2. Multiplying polynomials, remember this term needs to multiply to everything inside. Okay, and here both of these terms need to multiply by everything inside. FOIL stands for first, outer, inner, last. Okay, so that's your steps you can use to multiply. Now, let's look at this worksheet. Okay, I'm going to do one, and then you're going to do the one to the right of it. Okay, so looking at number 1. Okay, this first one here. It's a 1 by 2, so we'll make our box. 1 by 2, 2y plus 8. Okay, 2 times 2 is 4, and then we have our y. 2 times 8 is 16. So our answer is 4y plus 16. Now pause the video and do the problem to the right. Okay, now let's look at the next one. This is a 1 by 3. So we set up our box. 1 by 3. Okay, so the 1 is -3x. The 3 is x squared plus 7x minus 5. Okay? So, -3 times, remember there's an invisible 1 here. -3 times 1 is -3. X times x squared is x to the 3rd. There's 3 x's there now. -3 times 7 is -21. X times x is x squared. Okay? -3 times -5 is what? It's a positive 15, and then don't forget the x here. So our answer here will be -3 x to the 3rd minus 21 x squared plus 15 x. Now pause the video and do the problem to the right. Okay, now we're looking at the next problem. It's a 2 by 2, so we need to make our box a 2 by 2. Okay, on top goes this f plus 3, and to the side is this f plus 6. Okay, you ready? F times f is f squared, good. 3 times f is 3f. 6 times f is 6f. And then 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, so we have f squared plus 3f plus 6f plus 18. Now we combine like terms. There's only one f squared, so that just goes there. We have a 3f plus a 6f, which makes a 9f plus 18. Now pause the video and do the problem to the right. All right, we're moving on. We have another 2 by 2. Okay, so let's make our box. Okay, on top we have the x plus 4. And to the side we have this x minus 2. X times x is x squared. X times -2 is Negative 2x, good. X times 4 is 4x. And 4 times negative 2 is negative 8. Okay, so let's write this over here. We have x squared plus 4x minus 2x minus 8. Now we need to combine like terms. There's only one x squared, so we just write that. We have 4x minus 2x. What does that give us? 4 minus 2. It gives us a 2x minus 8. Now pause the video and do the problem to the right. All right, next problem. It's another 2 by 2. So on top we have 2c plus 2. And to the side we have c plus 3. 2c times, remember invisible 1, c is 2c squared. 2c times 3 is 6c. 2 times c is 2c. And 2 times 3 is 6. So we have 2c squared plus 2c plus 6c plus 6. Now we need to combine like terms. There's only one c squared, so it's 2c squared. We have 2c plus 6c. What does that give us? 2 plus 6 is 8c. Then we have the plus 6. All right, pause the video and do the problem to the right. All right, here we go, moving on. This one's a 2 by 2. So, we make our box. M minus 3 goes on top. 10m minus 20 goes to the side. Don't forget your minus 20. That's really important. 10m times m is 10m squared. 10m times negative 3, negative 30m. Negative 20 times m is negative 20m. And negative 20 times negative 3 is positive 60. Okay, so 10m squared minus 30m minus 20m plus 60. Now we need to combine like terms. There's only one m squared, so 10m squared. Negative 30 minus 20 is what? Negative 50. M, don't forget your m, plus 60. Okay, pause the video and do the problem to the right. Okay, now let's look at this one. It says 2x minus 4 squared. Squared means this times itself. So you make your box. It's going to be a 2 by 2, right? Because this is 2 times itself, which is also 2. So at the top we put 2x minus 4. Then what do we put to the side? The same thing, 2x minus 4, because it's that times itself. Okay, it's like saying this. 2x minus 4 times 2x minus 4. That's the same thing. Okay? So 2x times 2x gives you 4x squared. 2x times negative 4 will give you negative 8x. 2x times negative 4, we just figured that out, it's negative 8x. Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16. Okay, so we'll write that out. 4x squared minus 8x plus 16. Now it's time to combine like terms. There's only one x squared, so 4x squared. Negative 8 minus 8 is not 0. What is it? Type it in. Negative 8 minus 8 is negative 16. X plus 16. Pause the video and do the problem to the right. Okay, we have another 2 by 2. So make your box. On the top we have m minus 4. To the side we have m plus 4. M times m is m squared. M times 4 is 4m. M times negative 4 is negative 4m. And negative 4 times positive 4 is negative 16. So we have m squared minus 4m plus 4m minus 16. Now we need to combine our like terms. There's only one m squared. So we have negative 4 plus 4. Type that in. Negative 4 plus 4. What do you get? 0. So we don't write anything. They're gone. And then we have our minus 16. That's it. Pause the video and do the problem to the right. All right, this next one, it's a 2 by 3. So we need to set that up. 2 by 3. Okay, so 2 is 6x minus 3. And then we have 5x squared plus x minus 4. So 6x times 5x squared will give you 30x to the third. 5x squared times negative 3 is negative 15x squared. 6x times x is 6x squared. X times negative 3, negative 3x. Negative 4 times 6x is negative 24x. And negative 4 times negative 3 is a positive 12. So we have 30x to the third plus 6x squared minus 15x squared minus 24x minus 3x plus 12. Now we need to combine our like terms. Ready? There's only one x to the third, so it's 30x to the third. That's done. Now we have a 6x squared minus 15x squared. So what's 6 minus 15? 6 minus 15. Negative 9. So that's minus 9x squared. That's done, and that's done. Then we have two x families. So negative 24 minus 3. Negative 24 minus 3 is negative 27x. So those are done. And then we're left with the plus 12. Pause the video and do the problem to the right. Okay, so that should have been it. I want you to do all these problems, check them with me. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm sure you're done by now because you followed the instructions. When you're finished, you need to work on Alex.